Okay, y'all, so welcome back to another Airbnb video where I vlog my cleaning journey. Starting my own business. Kitchen. This is the kitchen, y'all. Look, I'm gonna go slow. This literally is the front door, and as soon as you come in, boom, that's the kitchen. So this is a studio, no bedroom. It's really small. Okay, that's a refrigerator, microwave. This right here is the bathroom. My daughter's in there cleaning the table. Okay. So we're just gonna wipe the furniture down. We pulled the sheets already. So the only con with this is that we had to go outside to do the laundry because you can see it's so small in here that there's no washer or dryer. But it's okay because, like I said, it's like really small, and the laundromat was literally on a corner. So for this unit, I charged her $90 because it's like really simple. We're just gonna wipe everything down, make the bed, and then the floor don't need to be swept because she said she swept already earlier. So I'm just gonna put some good smelling stuff down and mop these floors, and we should be out of here. Okay, so this is just a general idea of how much I charged for this. Oh, one more thing. This Airbnb is on the 5th floor. So, and it's walk up, no elevator. So yeah, if you hear me out of breath, it's because of that. And yep, we went and got some cleaning supplies, and we're about to knock this out. So I will show y'all how it look when I'm done.